like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, welcome to Holistic Fitness. It's your fitness buddy joining you from comfort of your home. Congratulations for taking first step in your fitness journey, joining us for daily 10 minutes workout. Daily exercise can help you boost immunity and get energy throughout the day. Invite your friends and family members on this exciting journey. So let's get started with daily 10 minutes workout today and now. Happy fitness to you.
Get ready, wear comfortable cloth, use a yoga mat. Let's get started. Warm up exercise. Stay relaxed and warm up.
Next up, light jog. Stand on the toes and jog comfortably. Next up, boxer shuffle. Stand on the toes and shuffle between the front leg and the back leg. Repeat for 10 to 15 seconds. Alternate the legs. Next up, side punches. Punch on the side at shoulder height. Punch in repetitions of 2. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds. Change the side. Next up, inchworm. Inch from your hip and walk your hand forward. Reach to a forward plank position and come back to the original position. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds.
Let's start with main workout. Next up, wall sit. Ensure feet is firmly on the ground and knees are above the ankle. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe normally. Next up, abdominal crunch. Focus on raising the upper body. Do not hold the head by your hand. Exhale while you lift the upper body. Next up, simple plank. Ensure head and back are straight. Lift the hip and hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe normally.
Up, lunges. Stand feet shoulder width apart, arms on the hip, lunge forward. Ensure the leg is making 90 degrees at the knee as you lunge. Keep the knee behind the toe. Do it slowly first. Next up, box and squat. Box as you squat. Ensure the knee is behind the toe. Do it slowly and breathe normally.
Let's move to cool down.
Next up, forward bends. Sit down on the ground. Keep legs straight without folding the knees and bend forward. Exhale as you bend forward. Do not worry if you cannot reach the toes. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds. Next up, shake it up. Stand feet shoulder width apart, arm relaxed by the side. Shake both the hands lightly and then both the legs. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds. Next up, leg up. Lie down on the ground near a wall and raise the leg to rest on the wall. Relax. Do it for 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe normally. Next up, Rishi pose. Sit on the ground with both the legs folded, resting on the knees. Deep breath inside, hold for 3 seconds and release. Repeat for 5 to 10 repetitions.
That's all for the day. See you tomorrow.
Like, share and subscribe.